Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles channel. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Bandai High Definition Ultimate Legends Demon Slayer Tanjiro Kamado. And this is an anime I started watching a while ago, and I've heard of it before, and I was like, I gotta check this out. I had the opportunity to watch it on Netflix, so started watching. I was like, yeah, that's kind of neat. So found these figures, and I thought that'd be neat to have those. So the packaging's pretty neat, and the figure looks pretty much like the anime. And then on the back side here, high definition. Except that high definition looks blurry to me from this angle. And then it's got that on the side. And there's the side of the figure. So let's go ahead and open this up. And if you've ever watched my channel, I'm one of those that I like to keep my packaging. So we'll just do some cutting around here. Free Tanjiro. And I don't think that I've ever had a Bandai figure. A newer Bandai figure, I should say. So I'm kind of excited to see what this is like. It's supposed to be pretty articulated. Well, that's not too difficult to open. Took me a while to figure out how you're supposed to open the package. I thought maybe it just kind of slid out from the side or whatever. Oh, look at that. Cool little anime picture there. And it looks like we're gonna... Oh, it is sealed like a Motu figure, kind of. It just has this kind of over book. A book with a chunk missing from the front cover sort of packaging. So let's get you out of there and see how articulated these figures are. If I can figure it out. There we go. I'm just going to open it like I do my Masters of the Universe figures. I think I'm going to go kind of the side here. It's got some cool art to it. And then I kind of sneak them out of there like that. I didn't do too much damage. There we go. Put that off to the side and get to what we're looking at here. The Tanjiro figure. And it looks like it comes with an extra set of hands. And like a sword handle and a sword. I guess, oh, if you wanted to, this one here is probably if you want to put it in the holder there, is probably what that's about. Whoops, careful. I poked my eye out with the sword, that one's good. Oh, that's cool. It's got some decent, the sharp edge is lighter. Makes it look like a... That's neat. Got the handle to it. It's probably blurry as can be. There's a sword. There's just this sword handle, which I'm guessing you just kind of plug it in there if you want to make it look like he hasn't started going into battle yet. Then we got a couple hands, which are fists, it looks like. Yep. You can do some punching with those hands. They're both closed fists. I'll put that off to the side here so that it's not in the way. Alright. So, looks like we got the elbow articulation and all the swivels and all that, just like most figures have. Head kind of goes up and down a little bit. Not a whole lot. Look either direction. It's got knees. Oh, the knees are... Oh, look at that. Oh, it's even got an ankle swivel. Cool. Do some kicks. Can't make his leg do this, though. Doesn't feel like it. You can do a front kick, I guess, and you can knee stuff. Huh. But yeah, got plenty of ankle swivel. You could do some serious posing there. And looks like it's got ab crunch even. And then waist doesn't really swivel much, but you know, got an articulated kimono though. So yeah, let's see how well that stays. If that's what it's about. Not leaving me much room. Does this come out a little more? Oh, it goes back a little more. And it's kind of shaped a certain way, right? Plug it in, plug it in. There you go. It doesn't stay very well, though. Now I gotta take the sword to see how deep that goes in. It does not. It is just a slot and a peg. So if you hold it back, the sword back, if you go forward like this, then it kind of pops it out. But depending on how you're gonna display it, I guess. It does plug in. It did. It likes to pop out. But anyways, let's put the sword in hand. That's where it's supposed to be. Let's just slide in from the top, I'm guessing. That's how I'm going to display them, with the sword out. There we go. You betcha. Like that. That looks more realistic pose, I guess. Getting ready to strike, maybe. Yeah, that's a cool little figure. What it is, if you're into the anime, and it'll look good on the shelf. I actually bought... How many of these did I get? They weren't very much. Got this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Yeah, they're 5-inch tall figure is what they are. I was excited I couldn't decide whether I wanted to. I got so many Motu, and then I got a couple Transformers I wanted to open, but I thought it'd be neat to do something a little bit different. But we'll bring it up close and you can kind of see the details. It's even got the earrings that he wears, and they're flying around and fighting. If I had those, I think they'd rip out of my ear. But, you know, anime. It's neat, though. And we'll just do a spin around here. It's fairly detailed. Looks a lot like the anime. And there we have it. Demon Slayer Tanjiro Kamado. I think that's how you pronounce it. I know it's Tanjiro, but I think it's Kamado, not Kamado. Just started watching the anime, so. But anyways, got 5 more of them figures to unbox, and then it's got the hands that just pop out. I will probably use I don't know, I might put the left fist in, maybe. We'll see. I haven't decided how I want to display them yet, but they actually are pretty articulated for a lot more than I thought they would be. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.